Now question number 2 of exercise 12.1. The question is, the triangular side walls of a flyover has been used for advertisement. Suppose this is a triangular side wall of a flyover. The sides of the walls are 122 meter, 22 meter and 120 meter. So these are the three sides of the wall whose length are 122 meter, 120 meter and 22 meter. The advertisement yields an earning of rupees 5,000 per meter square per year. A company hired one of its wall for 3 months. How much rent did it pay? The question is saying that if a company want to hire this wall for 12 months, how much they need to pay? They need to pay rupees 5,000 for 1 meter square. So now the question is, if a company hired this advertisement wall for 3 months, then how much rent did that company paid? So in this question, first we will calculate area of this advertisement wall, and after that we will calculate how much rent was paid by the company for hiring this wall for 3 months. So first thing is, I am writing solution over here. Suppose first A is equal to how much? 122 meter. B is equal to 22 meter and side C is equal to 120 meter. So these are the three sides of the advertisement wall. So first we will calculate what? We will calculate semi-perimeter. So semi-perimeter is given by A plus B plus C upon 2. A is how much? 122, B is 22 and C is equal to 120 upon 2. So S is equal to, now add them. So 122 plus 22 plus 120. So see, 122 I am adding over here, plus 22 plus 120. This is how much? 264. So 264 meter upon 2. So S is how much? Cancel them out. 2 1s are 2 3s are 2 2s are. So semi perimeter of this advertisement wall is 132 meter. Now we will calculate area of this advertisement wall using Heron's formula. So area of this advertisement wall using Heron's formula is given by under root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. Now put the values of S, A, B and C inside square root. So S is how much? 132. Then 132 minus A is how much? 122. Then again S is 132 and B is equal to 22 meter. Again S is 132 and C is equal to 120 meter. Outside write meter square. This is equal to under root of 132 into 132 minus 122, this will give us 10. 132 minus 22, this will give us 110. And 132 minus 120, this will give us 12. And outside meter square will be written. Now further solve it. So area is equal to square root of, now 132. See, this 132 can be written as 11 into 12. This 10 will be copied as it is. Then this 110 can be written as 10 into 11, and after that 12 will be copied as it is, and outside I am writing meter square. Okay, now next thing is making pairs. So area, this is equal to, now see, 11 is making a pair, so 111 will come out. 12 is making a pair, so 12 will come out. Also 10 is making a pair, so 10 will come out. So area of this advertisement wall using Heron's formula, this is equal to 11 into 12, 132, 132 into 10, that is 1320 meter square. So right now we have calculated area of this advertisement wall using Heron's formula. Now the second part of the question is कि हमें यहाँ पर क्या कैलकुलेट करना है, रेंट. हाउ मच रेंट वॉज पेड बाय द कंपनी इफ़ दे हायर्ड दिस वॉल फॉर 3 months. तो जो अगला पार्ट है वो क्या है, रेंट है. उसके पहले मैं इसको रब कर देता हूँ. नाउ द सेकेंड पार्ट ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन, फर्स्ट आई एम राइटिंग रेंट पेड बाय कंपनी for 1 meter square for 12 months. That is how much? How much it is given? Rupees 5,000. In the question itself it is given that for 1 meter square the company has to pay how much? Rupees 5,000 for 12 months. Okay, but company hired this wall only for 3 months, correct? So first what we are going to do, we are going to calculate rent paid by company for 1 meter square for 1 month. So next I am writing rent paid by company for 1 meter square for 1 month, and that will be equal to rupees 5,000 getting divided by 12. So this is rent paid by company for 1 meter square for 1 month, that is equal to how much? Rupees 5,000 divided by 12. Now, but in question it is given that we need to calculate how much rent was paid by company for if they hired the wall for 3 months, and what is the area of the wall? 1320 meter square. तो अब हम यहाँ पर लिखेंगे rent paid by company for, how much is the area? 1320 meter square, and for how many months? For 3 months, and this will be equal to rupees 5,000 upon 12. Now what will be multiplied in numerator? 3 and 1320 into 3 into 1320. Now solve it. See, 12 ones are 12, 12 11s are 132, and 1 0 is over here, so I have written 0 over here. So now multiply it. 11 3s, see, 11 3s are 33, and 33 5s are, 33 5s are, I'm multiplying over here, 33 into 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 3s are 15, 165. So rupees 165. Then how many zeros are over here? 1 2 3 and 4. ये भी cancel है, so 4 zeros are over here. So this is the rent paid by a company for 3 months for how much area? 1320 meter square, and that is equal to 16,50,000 only. मतलब ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा रेंट है नहीं, सिर्फ 3 मंथ का कितना रेंट है? ₹16,50,000 ओनली. मतलब ये जो फ्लाईओवर रहा होगा ये किसी बहुत ही बड़ी सिटी का रहा होगा, करेक्ट? सो होप यू हैव अंडरस्टूड दिस क्वेश्चन. प्लीज़ नोट इट डाउन.